Just getting out of LA right now. Super dope show. Thank you for everyone that came out, man. Shout out to Julian Forrest, Jaden G. Shout out to Kickback and come on. It was a pleasure having you guys. Shout out to the Slipper Clutch too, man. Super dope show. I can't wait for you guys to see the footy. If you haven't already, check that out. But yes, just got out of LA. We're currently headed to our show in Lompoc. But before then, we're gonna stop in Santa Barbara for a little bit. You know, just sightsee, kill time because we don't check into our Airbnb until 4. It's about 10:45 right now, so we'll be there in Santa Barbara around like 12. So kick it for a few and then go check into our Airbnb. But yeah, it's been such a pleasure to get to do this, our first tour. Thank you guys for everyone supporting, buying merch, man. Like every community we've hit and told our like goals to with this tour and what we're doing, like everyone's been able to get behind that super like with no hesitation. So shout outs to you all, and we're gonna come back to each city that we visit. Yeah, Micah and the Messengers, California Coast Tour, baby, 2025. Let's go.